You be the stepmother, I be the princess. Princess.
Sissy, they time it. Rhyme it.
You be the stepmother, I be the princess.
Hurry up, Sissy. They time it. Rhyme it.
You be the stepmother, I be the princess. We play just like recess.
I do shoot. I want to dispute.
We time it and she didn't rhyme it.
She's still breathing. She might not be leaving. Please let me try and save my sister. I'd miss her.
Go, but tell anyone about this and I'll know. She's going to be okay. You can visit her where she stay.
Sissy, I missed you, little missy.
One of our partners nearly killed your sister. Tell us what happened with the mister.
He timed it and she rhymed it. He shot her by mistake. His mind must have been on break.
Why you lie about the guy?
Happy birthday, daughter of mine. I bought you a gift that is so divine.
Thank you.
You need to rhyme it. Be careful because they time it.
Thank you for this gift. It was really on my list.
Yo, bro, can I have a bite of that orange? Orange. You need to rhyme it. Be careful because they time it. I don't know what rhymes with orange. What rhymes with orange?
Come on, you need to rhyme it. They time it.
Nothing rhymes with orange.
Sissy, you're home. Come play with me. I was all alone.
Of course I'll play. How could I stay away?
Perfect. You be the stepmother and I'll be the princess. Princess.
Sissy, they time it. Rhyme it.
You be the stepmother, I be the princess.
Hurry up. They time it. Rhyme it.
Why you lie about the guy?
Is it true you lied? She should have died?
I didn't lie about the guy. She's not thinking clearly.
Sissy, rhyme it. They time it.
She's out of her mind. Seriously.
Okay, I'll believe you, but I got my eye on you like glue. I can't believe my best friend's gone. Bring him back. Come on.
They timed it and he couldn't rhyme it. It's the world we live in. We can never win.
I don't want to be here anymore.
Please, rhyme it. They time it. You have so much to live for. I don't want to see you on the floor.
Anymore. I don't know. You look down. What's with the frown?
I just saw someone get killed.
Your head is a mess, but you can't stress. They time it. You need to rhyme it.
I just saw someone get killed.
Your head is a mess, but you can't stress. They time it. You need to rhyme it.
I just saw someone get killed. I wasn't very thrilled.
Please, keep your mind at ease. What'd you get on the exam? Exam.
Rhyme it. They time it. Hurry. You need to worry.
Stop yelling at me. I can't think of what rhymes with exam. Good morning, honey. Today's nice and sunny. You're not speaking? What are you seeking? Are you scared your rhyming is impaired? You must speak. No one is allowed to sneak. You rhyme it, I'll time it.
Why are you doing this to me?
Tick-tock, the time is on the clock. I just got a lyric.
Hurry, Grandma, read it.
I'm feeling blank. Oh, I wish I had a blank.
I know the answer. It's an easy one, but I can't tell you. We're only allowed to give hints.
I'm feeling lovely. Oh, I wish I had a sandwich.
No, Grandma. It was I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I had a lover.
It's okay, sweetie. Grandma was old anyways.
Hey, girl.
Oh no, I just got a lyric.
Hurry, read it.
If we ever broke blank, I'd never be blank. If we ever broke, I'd never be... I think I know the answer. If we ever broke down, I'd never be happy.
I just got a lyric.
Hurry, babe, read it.
She a blank, she knows she a blank. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. I'm safe. I just got another lyric. Teleport wherever you want or eat whatever you want. Teleport. That way I'll never be late again. Teleport wherever you want, but every time you do, you lose memory? I didn't see that part.
Honey, what are you still doing here? School starts in 2 minutes. You're going to be late.
Don't worry, I'll make it.
How? School's 15 minutes away.
Here, Here I am.
Babe, I wasn't sure if you were gonna come today. Come here.
What is wrong with you, you creep? I'm calling the police.
Brianna, what are you doing? That's your boyfriend.
I must have lost all our memories together.
Ew, Brianna farted. Babe, you fart?
It wasn't me. It was Timmy.
You're home early. Where's your little sister? You're supposed to pick her up before you come home.
I have a sister? Hey, how rich is my soulmate going to be? 100K? Decline. $1 million? I need a multi-millionaire. Decline. $1? What is going on?
Brianna, you're only allowed to decline the amount 3 times.
Why did no one tell me?
That skirt is really cute. Where's it from?
Thank you. It's a thoughtful tennis skirt from Polara. It has a super cute side pocket and built-in shorts.
Hey, your soulmate only has $1. You had 3 options. Why did you pick $1?
I didn't know I only had 3 options. This is so humiliating. Ooh, I really want a soda from the vending machine. Oh no, I forgot my wallet. Hey dude, can I borrow $1?
Sorry, $1 is all I have.
Oh. Timmy, look at these stickers they're going. Timmy!
Brianna, you killed Timmy. You can never wink. It's for population control. It kills people.
I didn't know.
Wink killer.
Hey!
You're the one who killed my little brother Timmy 10 years ago. I'm going to get revenge. You better watch your back.
Watch yours first. Oh no! Emma! She fell to the floor! Somebody help! Get the nurse! Nurse, is Emma going to be alright?
No, she's not breathing.
It's tragic.
I can't believe Emma passed away.
I know, it's so sad. Did they say what the cause of death was?
They figured the only way she could die so suddenly is from winking.
Really?
Yeah, and you were the only one around Emma at that time. That means you're the... 1 minute left before our speaking privileges are taken away.
What?
From now on, anyone who speaks will be executed, unless you're given speaking privileges. Put this in between your lips.
Mommy, I don't want to.
It's for your safety. That's the strongest glue in the world. You won't have to worry about accidentally speaking. I'm tired of not speaking. Do you think we'll ever be granted speaking privileges again? I don't think so. You should use the strongest glue in the world to keep your mouth closed so you don't have to worry about accidentally speaking. Ah, you have glue on your mouth. You look so silly. At least I'm safe, and you look silly without glue on your mouth. Maybe you're safe, but you look goofy. Oh!
Mommy, I have hearts all over my face.
Oh, you got your hearts, but you only have 3. Those hearts represent the amount of times you're allowed to be heartbroken. Every time someone breaks your heart, you lose one of your hearts.
So what happens if I have no hearts left?
You die.
Hey, besties.
Pizza face. Jake, stop it. You can't sit with us. Everyone's looking at you because of all your pimples on your face. It's embarrassing.
It's just a little breakout. I've been really stressed recently.
You can't sit with us.
Is my acne really that bad? A heart's missing. That means they broke my heart. Hey, babe.
Bro, what's all over your face? Yeah, babe, what happened?
It's just pimples. It will go away.
That's your girl, bro? She's not my girl.
I'm not. I only have 1 heart left. I can't get heartbroken again. I know what to do. I only have 1 heart left. I can't get heartbroken again. I know what to do.
Whoa, Brianna looks hot. Hey, girl, come sit with us.
Yesterday, when you said I couldn't sit with you guys, you made me lose a heart. I can't trust you guys won't break my heart again. You never even deserved it in the first place.
Babe, you look so good today.
I'm not your babe. Yesterday, you didn't want to be with me because I had pimples. You made me lose a heart. I only have 1 left because of you. I can't trust you won't break my heart again.
I'm sorry. Class, we have a new student today. Everyone meet John. You can sit wherever you like, John. Hey, can I sit here?
Sure, do whatever you want.
Lucky me. I get to sit next to the prettiest girl in the class.
Look, I'm not interested. I can't risk getting involved with another person again.
Hey, wait. Why did you say you can't risk getting involved with another person?
I only have 1 heart left. If I get heartbroken again, I'll die.
I only have 1 heart left, too. How about we take the risk together?
I only have 1 heart left. If I get heartbroken again, I'll die.
I only have one heart left too. How about we take the risk together?
Okay, let's try it then. But just know, if you break my heart, you'll be considered a murderer. Good morning, babe.
Hey, can I ask what happened to your other hearts? How'd they get broken?
My best friends and boyfriend broke my heart because they didn't like the way I looked. You may not notice, but I have really bad acne under all this makeup.
That's so superficial. I would never do that to you.
Wow, you're so strong and muscular.
Thanks.
I want to kiss you.
Brittany,
Why would you?
John?
It's not what it looks like. Brianna, she came on to me.
I saw you. You kissed her.
You don't have any hearts left. Brianna!
Good, you're awake.
How am I alive? Where's John?
who do you think gave you the heart? He gave you his last one.
Mr. Strawberry, I love...
Stop. Don't say I love you. Honey, it's time you know. When you say I love you to someone who doesn't love you back, you'll lose all your memory. That's why I only say I love you to Daddy and my children, because they're the ones I know that love me back.
Good morning, Mom.
Who are you? Where am I? What am I doing here? What is this place?
Mom, do you remember anything?
I'm your mom?
You lost your memory. Dad, something's going on with Mom. She doesn't remember anything. Did she say I love you to anyone?
Yeah, to me. Last night. I'm sorry, but I lost feelings for your mother.
So it's your fault. You don't love Mom anymore and she lost her memory?
It's not what I intended to happen. Truthfully, I met another woman.
But don't worry, I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad?
I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad? Dad, you lost your memory? That means I don't love...
Open up. We're the memory police.
The memory police are here?
Who's that?
Mom! Mom, please, you have to remember something. The memory police are here.
I'm your mom?
Yes, that's all you have to say.
Open up.
The door's open. Come in.
Are all memories intact here?
Of course. Who are you?
I'm your mom?
See?
What is this place? I don't know where I am. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
Goodbye, Dad. Mom, I have to go to school now. Just stay safe and don't do anything until I come home. I love... No, I can't say it. Of course you wouldn't love me. I'm a stranger to you.
I love you.
How do you know that word?
Babe, there you are. I think it's time we say the L word.
No, I don't want to say it. I've already lost someone because of that word.
Don't worry. You don't have to say it. I'll say it.
No, don't say it. I don't.
I love you. Who are you? Where am I? I'm scared. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
Mom. Mom? Mom? She has no memory left. How would she know how to use a phone?
Did you just say your mom has no memory? How is she not taken away yet?
No, she has her memory. I was just joking. Mom, I came running back from school. Is everything okay? Are you okay?
I'm your mom?
I think you called by mistake.
Memory police, open up.
Come in.
We're taking your mother.
No, you can't. She's all I have. Take me with her.
Your memories are intact.
I love you. Be beautiful or be popular? I've always wanted to be beautiful.
Honey, I always thought you were beautiful.
No one else thinks so, Mom. It's still loading.
Ugly loser. Do us a favor and walk around with a bag over your head.
Just you guys wait. I chose to be beautiful. I'm going to be the most beautiful girl in the school.
There's no way that you could ever be beautiful.
I am going to be beautiful. That's what I chose.
I'm the most beautiful girl in the school. There's no way you'd ever look better than me. Let's make a deal. When you become beautiful, if you can get Chad to go to prom with you over me, then I'll believe you.
Deal.
I like your shirt, Brianna.
Really? Thank you.
Ew, why is Chad talking to ugly Brianna?
I'll talk to you again once I'm beautiful.
Huh?
It stopped loading. Didn't work. Nothing's changed. It stopped loading. It didn't work. Nothing's changed.
Hey, Brianna, stop. I want to ask you something.
Oh, you were talking to me.
I wanted to ask you if you wanted to be my date to prom.
Yes.
Well, looks like ugly Brianna is still ugly.
It says I should be beautiful now, but it didn't work. Chad did ask me to prom, though.
You can't go to prom with Chad. He's the hottest guy in the school, and you're ugly. You can only go with him if you become beautiful, or if you wear a bag over your head.
Chad, we shouldn't go to prom together. Just wait. I should be beautiful anytime now.
What are you talking about?
I chose to be beautiful. It finally stopped loading, but nothing changed.
Brianna, nothing changed because you've always been beautiful.
I chose to be beautiful. It finally stopped loading, but nothing changed.
Brianna, nothing changed because you've always been beautiful.
What?
I've thought you were beautiful since the first time I laid eyes on you.
No, you're just saying that to be nice.
I'm not. I really mean it.
Thank you. I should go. I have to get to class.
Brianna, look at yourself. You look beautiful.
I look beautiful, but I don't even look like me. I'm going back to the way I was before.
Is there something wrong with your brain? Why would you go back to looking ugly? Because she was never ugly. Chad, I don't get it. I'm the most beautiful girl in the school. Why did you choose her to go to prom with over me? You are beautiful. On the outside. But inside, you're ugly. Come on, Brianna.
Okay.